To get ahead, you've got to get it together. A decade ago, desktop publishing revolutionized the way documents are created. SureBind desktop binding systems are the strategic next step. Because when it comes to document finishing, SureBind is the standard by which all other documents are measured. SureBind offers you dozens of unique and elegant ways to create tamper-resistant documents with a slim profile for easy mailing. The wide array of strip colors assure that your documents will present the professional image your company demands. Custom imprinted hard covers project elegance with library-quality binding. Soft covers impress with paper stocks that set you apart from the crowd. Using hot knife technology, the SureBind process is simple, yet ensures a secure bind. Today's binding requirements can range from a presentation of a few sheets of paper to a book with hundreds of sheets. GBC's System 2 offers the ability to bind up to 500 sheets thick. No other system delivers such versatility packed into one unit. It only takes a few seconds to create reports and proposals that are long-lasting, highly effective, and sure to put your company in the best light. Binding documents with the System 2 is as easy as 1, 2, 3. First, lay the receiving strip on the bind surface. Second, align the document in the punch throat against the edge guide. Press the punch button, then remove the punched document and align it on top of the receiving strip already in place. Insert the strip with pins into the top of the book. Finally, lower the automatic pressure bar to achieve a tight, secure bind. While binding is in progress, an indicator light flashes. When the binding cycle is complete, an audible tone signals that your document is bound. The result? An impressive presentation that stands out head and shoulders above the rest. The SureBind method of binding provides a compressed, secure bind by shearing off the extra binding pins and riveting the pins to the receiving strip. This technology ensures a tamper-proof document every time. SureBind also offers the added advantage of fitting into the SureBind or plastic comb punch patterns. Once bound, a convenient debind tool allows users to shear the strip on the bound document. After making the necessary revisions, the user can rebind the document using a new strip. The System 2 is designed to stand up to years of use. GBC uses only quality components, such as a die-cast aluminum pressure bar. The Teflon-coated cutting blades are made from special steel designed to withstand high temperatures, and the punch pins are constructed out of hardened steel. In the unlikely event that a problem does occur, you can count on GBC's network of highly trained technicians to get your system back up and running. The System 2 delivers outstanding productivity due to its punching and binding capacities. Creating books up to 500 sheets is easy, requiring only 2 different size binding elements to be inventoried. Operators can punch up to 22 sheets of paper per lift with the System 2. Push-button electric punching produces more finished books per hour than a manual unit. The flat punching surface adds to operator efficiency and allows for perfect paper alignment every time. If the punch becomes overloaded, the exclusive auto-reverse jam stopper alerts the user and reverses to prevent potential paper jams. GBC's commitment to safety has led us to have our systems tested by the world's leading safety agencies. The North American version of the System 2 meets all UL and Canadian standard requirements as certified by CSA. International versions of the System 2 have full safety licensing from TUV Product Service and carry the CE mark as well. Binding books that are odd-sized isn't a problem with the System 2. You can punch and bind documents as long as 14 inches or 35 centimeters and as short as 8.5 inches or 21 centimeters. All it takes is a slight adjustment of the binding edge guide for perfect paper alignment. Documents with a large number of pages are a snap too. This system can bind documents up to 2 inches or 5 centimeters thick with one simple motion. There are thousands of satisfied GBC customers who love the look of GBC strip binding and how easy the systems are to use. But you don't have to take our word for it. Let Laura Wellman from Kinko's tell you how impressed she is.
We have a lot of customers that come in and need binding, and we show them all of the options that they have available. And the reason that they are attracted to the Video SureBind is because it's professional looking, it's very sturdy. When they look at the sample, they can see that it really adds a finish to their document that some of the other bindings don't do. We do have a number of customers that come in specifically for velo binding. They've been having it done for quite a while, and that's the only kind of bind that they will use for their documents, so they continue to come back.